Hello, my name is Ethan.
And I'm Yoan.
And today we're going to be making a delicious sausage sandwich.
Yummy!
This is a sausage sandwich, not a chicken sandwich.
Wow, it looks scrumptious.
First, you cut onions.
Chop, chop.
Hey sister, is it me or does this board look new?
Yeah, you're right.
What about you, Stitch?
I think so too. Cut off the head. Then peel away with the peeler to get all the disgusting stuff out.
Then you peel the carrot to make strands of carrots. Why does that look awfully like noodles?
Cut the remaining carrot to use for later.
Do the same with the other one. I do not like carrots, but they're actually really good for your eyes.
Fry them until they're golden. Hey, Ethan, doesn't Dad like onions?
Yeah, he does. And I like onions too, but why don't you like it?
They're really disgusting.
No, they're not.
Now pick up the onions and put them in a separate pan.
Now, time to fry the carrots. You gotta put it in the pan, sprinkle in some salt, and you gotta just wait for it to look like noodles.
Now put in some oil, crack an egg, wait until it's done.
A sunny side egg.
Now put it in a plate.
Time to boil the sausages. Hey sister, you like sausages, right?
I love them.
Why don't you like onions then?
I just don't like them. Cut 4 pieces of bread.
Hey guys, did you know? This isn't any ordinary bread. This is red bean paste bread. Oh, look at that deliciousness. I really love red bean paste. Get a pan and rub butter on it. Then put a bread and put the butter on the bread. Do it with all 4 of them.
Get a plastic wrap. Then put 2 pieces of bread.
Put any condiments on the bread. We don't know what this one is.
Put some carrots on it. Make sure it's neat.
Now, put some onions on top of the carrots. Sister, are you sure you still don't like onions?
Yeah, I hate onions.
I can never switch your mind.
Now place the sausages on top.
Sister, I know you like sausages and all that, but I wish you like onions. Now put the egg on top of the sausages and cover it with the other piece of bread.
Now cover with the plastic wrap.
This is starting to look like a sandwich from the convenience store.
Yeah, you're right.
I mean, still, sandwiches are amazing.
Yeah, you're right. Sandwiches are amazing.
I know. Sandwiches rule the world! Now get parchment paper and wrap it around the sandwich.
This reminds me of the chicken sandwich video.
I know. Hey sister, don't you think Mom's wrapping style is like so professional?
Yeah, you're right.
I mean, Mom's wrapping is better than Santa's wrapping. I mean, are the elves who wrap it or is it Santa?
I'm not sure, but she's super mom.
I know.
I can't wait to eat this.
I know.
Wrap it around with a yarn.
Ooh, fancy. Hey sister, this is completely out of topic, but why do you not like onions?
It's disgusting.
Tell me a real reason.
Well, I just don't like the smell.
Now put a piece of tape on it or a piece of sticker to make it look a bit more fancier. when you want to eat it, just remove all of it. The yarn, the sticker, and especially the packaging. Now this is a clip from the beginning of the video, but what you do is cut down, but don't cut all the way, because what you want to do is, ta-da, make a inside view of the sandwich, because that's what everybody wants.
That looks delicious.
I know, and everyone, thanks for watching.
Bye.